This is the VELCO Weather Hazards Heads Up number 3, and this is looking at the weather system with a tightening pressure gradient, combining the southern system with a northern system that is developing out of the Rockies right now. This is the advancement of precipitation in the form of rain, and expecting no other precipitation types, as this rain will be moving into the region about the time the strongest pressure gradients will start to tighten up as well. And this will be taking place during the Wednesday afternoon, probably later in the afternoon as opposed to midday Wednesday. So a pretty good day in the morning, but things go downhill from there, and that'll set the stage for some strong gusty winds that'll be blowing, especially downsloping along the Appalachians, and we're already starting to see some trends of this. This is the NCAR Wharf Ensemble, and you can see the first beginnings of some of the downsloping aspects that take place typically along the western slopes of the Appalachians in northern Georgia all the way up, and you can see how this stretches and develops. You get into the green here, we're talking greater than 20 meters per second, double that, and in miles per hour, 20 is about 42, 43 miles an hour, so we're into the thresholds territory in any of these greens that you see there. Now, something to watch, this will be about 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. You're starting to see the spine of the Green Mountains show up, some parts of the White Mountains. And this is an area we can kind of foretell, because this will also be involved in a rainy area as well. And we can see what will be happening in some of the downslope aspects to the south and west of us. And as that works up the Appalachian mountain chain, you can see that. And again, anything over the green showing up greater than 20 meters per second. So we're talking 40, 45 miles per hour. And you can see the narrow band that'll be taking place during the late part of the afternoon tomorrow into tomorrow evening. This only goes out to 48 hours, so that's as far as I can go out, but it does look like things will begin to fall off once the back edge of this system gets in here, probably during the early morning hours on Thursday. And you're looking at the European model here, and you can see anything in the lighter greens especially, you're getting into the realm of 34 plus knots. So in the realm here of wind gusts that will be taking tree limbs down, and you can see a pretty good maximum here. This is valid at around 2 o'clock in the morning, early Thursday morning, and this is about the maximum amount of wind. Now, the northern areas of Vermont have actually dropped back just a little bit according to the European run-to-run. So you can see this is yesterday's 12Z run and this morning's 0Z run. So it's taken some of those winds downward just a little bit, and especially in the northern areas, still keeping it rather strong across southern and central areas of Vermont. Not sure how this is really going to work out. Higher resolution computer modeling, including deep thunder, continues to bring us a narrow strip, but you can see as we get into the day on Thursday, things move off pretty quickly. We might get a burst of southwesterly winds that could also cause some downsloping along the eastern slopes of the Green Mountains. Something we'll have to watch, but it looks like more of a marginal event. That's it from here. Conference call 9 o'clock. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.